Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you can add your Solana wallet to your Coinmarketcap.com app or website. So I'll show you today how you can add it as a portfolio in the Coinmarketcap.com website. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, here you can see at the top part of the screen over here on the right hand side, there's going to be a portfolio option right here. So just go ahead and click that. Once you do, it's going to show you all of your portfolios and all of that. So what you're going to want to do from here is look for the create portfolio section here on the left hand side. Just click it. When you do, it's going to ask you connect your wallet, add transactions manually. You could even connect your Binance account or your OKX account here as well, so you could see all of your assets in real time. But if you have a Solana wallet address, you're going to want to click the connect your wallet option. So when you do, it's going to ask you for a public address. All you got to go ahead and do is just copy and paste your wallet address from whatever wallet you have and just go on ahead and paste it in here. So when you do that, give yourself a portfolio name or it will auto-generate one for you. When it does that, you're going to want to click on count as my portfolio and then click this on and then create connection. What this does is it syncs up all of your meme coins and all of that, and it basically just shows it to you in real time. So you can see here that a couple of coins that we have is Bobcat, Mustard Solana, USDC, and the Trenches coin. So that's how you see your Solana wallet in real time, how much you made, how much you lost. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like if you did find it helpful. And with that being said, I'll see you on to the next.